Welcome back on this Monday morning. So for tonight, we will have our next disturbance bring in some widespread light snow. And then during the midweek, we'll notice that temperatures start to plunge and drop off. Then for the end of the week and right before Christmas Day, it looks like we will have our next potential winter storm with a lot of impacts. So throughout that time period, Thursday through Saturday, I said a high risk for snow, winds, and the cold. Some accumulating snow. Winds look to be gusting near 60 miles per hour near Lake Superior on Friday, extending through Saturday morning. That means blowing snow will become a big issue for a lot of folks traveling. And then cold air really sets in as we're looking at wind chills easily being in the teens below zero throughout the course of Friday and Saturday. But at this moment, this is what's happening. We have a little wave of energy moving through the region. This disturbance off to our southwest, moving through parts of Kansas with a wintry mix out there. We'll move in for us today. We're looking at some light snow out of this later on this evening. So for this evening through tomorrow afternoon, not a lot of snow, 1 to 3 inches of snow, but we could push near 6 inches in some of the higher elevations, extending over to parts of the Keweenaw by the time tomorrow evening arrives. So here's the hour by hour, looking good during the daytime hours. Then after 6 o'clock, we have that snow moving in out of Wisconsin. So if your travel plans take you to Wisconsin this afternoon, that's where that snow is going to initially start. This band will track from west to east overnight. By tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., it's just to our east end. Then we're going to see lake effect snow develop along the northwest and westerly wind belts. So some more prominent bands of lake effect get going by tomorrow afternoon in the Keweenaw, northern Houghton, and a parts of Keweenaw counties as well. By Wednesday morning, this will be slowly tapering off before the potential of our next winter storm moves in Thursday through the end of this week. Temperatures for today. Teens out west, low to mid 20s in the central and eastern counties. Tomorrow we'll notice some cooler air slowly filtering in. So those highs tomorrow will struggle in the single numbers in the interior west to teens in the central and the east end. Similar temperature ranges on Wednesday as well, with some single numbers in the west and then teens across the east behind that disturbance. And then as we continue through the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hazardous driving conditions with that strong wind, the accumulating snow, and the colder air. So by Saturday morning, we're looking at wind chill readings being teens below zero throughout the course of Saturday. But what I will say is, as of right now, Christmas Day, this looks